Myself Jaswant Korampadda from Joglekarwadi Municipal Hindi School number 2. Today I am going to read a story. Satya Watch Out. Author Yamini Vijayan, illustrator Vishnu M. Nair and published by Pratham Books. Satya can't stay still. He runs and jumps and spins and rolls and falls. Sit quietly for a minute, says Appa. If you get hurt, don't come crying to me, says Akka. Don't you dare break anything, says Tata. You are disturbing the class, says his teacher. But what can Satya do if his hands and legs are always dancing? Today is Sunday. It's Satya's favorite day of the week. The day he goes to the farm where Amma works. It's a long walk to the farm through secret up and down paths, open fields, thick forests and gently flowing streams. Satya hops like a hare and springs like a deer. The mud is squishy. Be careful, says Amma. He crawls like a centipede and slithers like a snake. Look out for thorns, says Amma. He swings like a spider and leaps like a langur. Whee! Use the strong branches, my little monkey, says Amma. He paddles like a duck and swims like a frog. Stay in the shallow, okay, says Amma. He climbs like a lizard and jumps like a goat. Don't sleep, says Amma. Satya flaps his arms like wings and tries to fly away. He imagines himself soaring and gliding like a vulture. Late in the evening, when the sun sets and the crickets begin to hum, it's time to go home. Tired Satya climbs onto his mother's back. They return through the up and down paths, fields, forests and streams. At home, Appa, Akka and Tata take one look at bruised and muddy Satya and burst into laughter. Tata baths him, Appa cooks him dinner, Akka tells him favorite story as he falls asleep. In his dreams, Satya runs and jumps and spins and rolls and flies away. How do they move? Oh, the way Satya moves. Did you know that animals, birds and insects also move in many different ways and for different reasons? Like us, they move mainly to find delicious food, a cozy home and warm family. Some of them also move to escape from being caught and eaten by other animals. Find out how some of these creatures move. Dolphins are famous for how they leap out of water. Can you leap? Cheetahs are the faster land animals. They can run really fast and sprint too, especially when they hunt. Can you sprint? Crabs can walk sideways. Can you walk sideways? Grasshoppers can jump really high, especially when they want to escape from being eaten. Can you jump really high? Snails crawl slowly, very slowly. Can you crawl slowly? I hope all of you enjoy the story very much. Bye. See you soon. Thank you.